Dear students, we are going to discuss the subject Strategic Human Resource Management for the 5th SEM BBA of Bangalore North University. We are going to discuss the concept establishing strategic plans, in that role play, that is salary negotiation. A recap of the previous class: mini project work, that is compensation policies of selected MNCs. Learning objectives of this chapter. The chapter aims to provide an understanding of global HRM. Session outcome. The student will be able to exhibit their negotiation skill through a role play. Introduction. The role play develops skills in planning, developing, and delivering a salary negotiation plan to maximize the salary potential or reduce the salary exposure depending on the role. Instructions about the role play. Assign half the class the role of the employer and the other half the role of the applicant, with the understanding that they will negotiate with their assigned partner during the following class period. Provide students with only the perspective summary for their assigned role. Instructions. Assign students to write a pre-negotiation plan considering the goals, potential issues and concerns, alternatives, and other negotiation phases so that they have an effective plan for their argumentation. While the necessary salary compensation parameters are set with the perspectives, encourage the students to reach job market conditions, expectations, and standard benefit packages for the financial analyst in the area. The information provides context to the negotiation scenario and additional information for the students to use in the formulation of argumentation. Students to bring two printed copies of their pre-negotiation plan to class, one for the professor and one for the use during the role play. Negotiation role play. On entering class, students submit one copy of their pre-negotiation plan to the instructor for the assessment and keep one copy to use during the negotiation. 5 minutes. Arrange students in pairs, employer and applicant. If an odd number of students exists, two students can serve as the employer while the third student act as the applicant. Alternatively, the professor can stand in as needed. 30 minutes we should give to ask the students to engage in negotiation role play and come to an agreement. Depending on class size, student pairs may need to leave the classroom so that they can hear one another during the role play. Ask students arriving at mutually agreeable solution to write a summary of the agreement addressing the following: compensation, benefits, and unanticipated benefits. Any benefits, compensation, or other perk that the student is capitalized on but did not envision during planning. And last 15 minutes through whole class discussion, debrief the negotiation process, focusing on the effectiveness of chosen strategies used by the students. Here are certain references.